Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jiten and I am a rising junior at the University of Arizona. If you are taking any online classes, you should definitely check out this video because in this video, we will be talking about some key strategies that every student or every professional should consider while taking any online class. With the advancement in technology, online classes have gone to a different and a whole new level. Now students can learn almost anything from anywhere. With some strategies and some key proven methods, students can maximize their own scores and they can get the most out of that online class. Yes, there is a difference between going to the class and just opening up your laptop or your personal mobile devices and then learning from there. But you should consider an online class as a real class. This will help your mind to grasp more information and knowledge efficiently. One of the key lessons which I took away when I was taking online classes this semester was that you should have a planner. You should take down and note all the key dates so that you know all the assignments and all the upcoming deadlines. Have a dedicated time slot for studying. That being said, you should always estimate or figure out how much time you require in a week to give to that subject. Next point, you should create a distraction-free environment. Well, what does that mean? It simply means that you put away all your mobile devices or anything that distracts you from studying away from the table. You should also put your mobile phones into silent mode or your iPad or anything which you have that can disturb you while studying. You should put that into do not disturb mode or you should just keep that aside. The next point is self-reflection method. Now every individual is unique. They have their own preferences on how to gain new knowledge and how to better themselves out. So take a moment to reflect back some of the key things that you or some different patterns which you might observe while you study or things that work for you. For example, some students are morning person, some are like late evening or late night person. Some prefer music in their background while some prefer pinned off silence. You should take a minute to recognize what are some of your strengths and what are some of your key strategies that have been in place but you did not know. And then create an environment where you have all these systems in place which will help you to study better. Yes, all individuals are unique and these strategies will definitely help you in getting more out of your online classes. That being said, I'm signing off from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give a thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more amazing content. And please share this video with your friends and families so that they will be better off learning new content from the internet. Or students might be helpful who are taking online classes. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you all in the next one.